fnirsi DMT-99. It is a DC 1000V, AC750V 2 RMS, 10000COUNTS multimeter. It have 2.4-inch TFT color display. Its resolution is 240x320. It have monitor mode function. It meets the standard of GPT 1397X/19992. It built in 15000mAh lithium battery. DC watt is 9.999 watt to 999.9 watt. AC watt is 9.999 watt to 750 watt. DC current 9999 microamp to 9.999 amp. ACM also 9999 microamp to 9.999 amp. Its resistor is 9.999 amp to 99.99 mega amp. Capacitor is 9.999 nanofarad to 9.999 megafarad. Frequency is 9.999 Hz to 9.999 megahertz. Temperature is -55 degrees C to 1300 degrees C. It have die function, NCV function, continuity function, and light hot wire check function. Let's open the meter now. Coming with absorb pad, cover it. Now open it. It made in China. Let's see the box. There is a QR code for the website. There is a meter. Come with a user menu, but the user menu is Chinese. And let's see it first. No more. And finish parser cut. And inside have a meter. And a temperature sensor, USB charge cable Type-C, and a pair of test lead. And inside no more. Okay, And let's see the meter. There is the power on key. There is the hold key and vanity key. There is the auto and manual key. There is the watt capacitor, die test, and continuity test function key. And there is a NCV line hot wire temperature and frequency test key. There is a milliamp and AC and DC current key. There is the COM port input jack. There is the watt capacitor input terminal. There is a milliamp microamp input terminal. There is the 10 amp input terminal. Okay, when first open the meter, there is the power on key. That may be try the language. And now we try to English and enter. Now is in English version of this meter. Now see milliamp. The screen may be display the milliamp. And now is a DCM. And this hold key and a hold and vanity key. Long part may be vanity. Part again may be cancel it. And downside is sales frequency and NCV and return to the temperature function. And this is voltage, manual resistor, capacitor, diode and continuity function. And in the middle is auto and hold function. Long part is manual function. Part again is in auto function. Now it's in manual function. In this, they can have three choice. Monitor function, record function, and regular function. Put in the downside, there is a deadhook setup function. Next is a history record function. In the downside, they have a system language function. And this is the reset the meter function. You can reset the meter function by pushing this to the next size or return to this one. And about this meter version, long part again may be X the function. Okay. Let's see the meter testing. Weapon DC voltage test. 2.5 watt. Now in auto mode. ISO 2.509. 5 watt. ISO 5.01 watt. 7.5 watt. ISO 7.512 watt. 10 watt. ISO 10.01 watt. Sorry. And now see the manual mode. Now is manual DC mode. $10, 7.5 5 ISO 5.09 2.5 ISO 2.506. Okay, next. AC voltage test normal. Now is auto mode. ISO 221.4. Need a full reading. And see the manual mode. Now in manual mode. It 221.9 and need a full reading. Okay, make test. NCV test. It must be put on this switch for NCV. And it about 3 cm maybe feel the electric field. And here maybe in yellow color. Now it's 2 cm about. And need about 1.8 or 5 cm. Then maybe in red color. And the B sound may be bigger. Okay. And let's try the meter in the cable. It also about 3 or 4 cm have feel the electric field. And need the cable also have red color come out. Very good sensitivity. Okay, and let's see the meter in light hot wire check. Light hot wire. By also pressing this key. Now is in light hot wire check function. Let's try it. In hot wire, they have a warning and B sound come out. Neutral, no. F, no. And normal, you the wet test it only. Now check the bad test it. No. F, no. Hot wire. Also sensing the hot wire. Okay. Next test. Resistor test. Now in auto mode. Test it. Test it is 0.1 ohm. Now 0.5 ohm. ISO 0.4 ohm. 1 ohm. ISO 1.1 ohm. 10 ohm. ISO 10.1 ohm. 20.03K. ISO 20.02. 2 met. ISO 2 met. 19.4 met. ISO 19.59 met. 22.3 met. ISO 22.22 met. And make a lot. The ISO 84.52 met. Okay, let's see the menu mode. Now in menu mode, it shows 0.00 0.5 it shows 0.4 1 it shows 1 10 it shows 10.2 100.6K it shows 100.6K 2 meg it shows 2 meg or 1.999 22.3 meg it shows 22.18 meg make a bigger it shows 84.28 meg. Okay, and let's see the meter in reference value. Reference is 4.9987 km, and let's see this meter. It shows 5.01 met in manual mode. In auto mode, auto mode is 5.013 km. It meet the reading. Okay, next test. Continuity test. It found that no sound come out and the reading rolling. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The output dB about 67. And let's see the meter in low resistor. Now 40. You can sound 13, 22. You can sound. Okay, next test. Die test. Die output voltage. So its output voltage is 3.95 voltage. And let's see test on the die, normal die. It shows 0.528 volt. Very good. And let's test the light on LED. You can light on red and show the voltage. Yellow, green, blue, white. You can light on all the LED. Okay, next test. Capacity test. Now test on the weapon is 120.4 millifarad. Now testing on. It's so 121.2 or 3 accuracy. And let's see another one. 1000 mF. It's discharge. ISO 1.053 megafarad. It very well. And this meter makes is 9.99 megafarad. And let's see the little one. ISO 10.6364. It's 10 mF. This meter check the capacitor is in low time. Okay, next test. Milliwatt check. Now is about 0.9 watt, and foot reading is 0.89 watt. And this meter in auto mode minimum is 0.9 watt. And so the 0.896 watt. And under may not function this meter in auto mode. And if in manual mode, they can show very low wattage. Now 0.896, and when you note down the meter, 0.01 or 2 watt, that may be show the reading. 0.02 watt, it may be show the reading. And hold this thing. It's so now 0.02 watt. And foot is 0.0214. Very accuracy of this meter. Okay, next test. Weapon milliamp test. Now weapon is 20 milliamp. Let's see the meter. It must put to this milliamp jet. Now DC milliamp check. ISO 20.01 milliamp. It very accuracy. USB charging test. When in the meter is power on, you put in the charge port. They have a warning logo come out, warning that you can switch off the meter for charging. Now switch off the meter first. And charging. They have a red color of display in this, in the power key. The drawing current is about 0.5 amp. Okay. When the meter charge finish, they have a green light come out, and the current is 0.0017 amp. Temperature test. Foot is now home temperature is 13.1, and unity is 28.3, and this meter is 28. It also in the reference because it has 2 degrees around. And now test the hot water first. Full with display is 71.2 cells. And this meter shows 69 degrees C. And unity is 68 about. And let's see the cool water. Sorry. And full with display is 40 or 30.9. And this meter shows 12. And unity is 12.4. It very accuracy of the temperature. Okay, next test. And the meter in the temperature ring, it cannot show the Fahrenheit, only have cells can measure. Okay. High DC current test. It shows 9.5 amp about. This meter minimum frequency is 0.5 Hz. High DC voltage test. Now in auto mode. Now 100 watt. Full is 111. And this meter 110.7. And 250. This meter shows 276 watt. Need a full reading. This meter shows 526.6 watt. Full is 526 watt. Need a full reading. Okay, next test. And high DC voltage test in manual mode. $100 watt. It shows 110.7 and full is 111. 250. And this meter shows 276 watt. 1 watt. And full is 276. 500 watt. This meter shows 526.7 or 8 watt. Full is 527. Okay, next test. And this meter have a special function. Long part of the middle key, they have a first choice mode selection. In the right side, first is a normal usage mode, and downside there is a recording mode. Recording mode only work on voltage, resistor, diode, continuity, capacitor, and the current, low current, frequency, and temperature mode. And also have a regular mode. The regular mode only support the voltage, current, and the temperature. And let's see the record mode. By choosing the record mode, and now it is a record mode. Now testing. When water come out, one part is the record the one group. It makes is 8 group. If over 8 group, then maybe cover the first one. And when you want to change the mode of testing, like this, milliamp, current, milliamp, you must use this key for change the mode, and put this key again, maybe turn to the menu mode and scroll down for the history. Then maybe before the record maybe come out. When you want to see it, scroll down, scroll up, okay. And let's see another function. And let's see this meter in regular mode. Now choosing the regular mode and come out. There may be a skin come out. It might 5 watt or 200 to 220 watt maybe be on. And it can setting the reading by pressing this in the desktop setting and choosing this. Long part of this read may be, sorry, try again. Short part again of this read and come to this setting and can be changed. Now change to 9 watt. Now change to 9 watt. And now setting is minus 5 watt to positive 9 watt and come out. Long part. Now it's a minus 5 to 9 watt. You can check a battery. The over 9 watt may be B sound on. Like this. Okay. Next function. And there is the history of the before record mode. Now cancel it. This is the system setting language. When you want to change it like this, Chinese, but again, then maybe change to Chinese. Now Chinese. And English now English. And this one is reset the data. It can return, in the downside is return. There is reset the setting. Long part maybe reset the machine. Now chosen the language and part again maybe English. And in the downside, they have a bar of this version of this meter. Okay, it finished. Meter T down. Before I open it, they have 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. By 4 screw open it. And there is the part of the battery. And let's see the meter battery. There is a 3.7 watt 1500 mAh battery. And let's see the meter. The downside have a switch unknown the usage. And 2 ceramic fuse and unknown IC. It use laser is the number like the main IC, no number. It is the number. Okay, let's open it. There is the front side of the meter. There's no any part, more part inside. Only this piece. And more circuit board in some parts inside it. And let's see. There is the skin module and the number keypad and the cover terminal, input terminal. Okay, T down finish. NCV test. Now the skin is NCV. It about 2 or 3 cm. It can send the field and yellow color. And touch is a white color.